So this is the Qualcast jetstream 45 RB Auto, and from what I've looked on the net, it is from 79ish, 1979, and yes, it looks rough, but you know what, mate, these are really thick, solid decks. It's self-propelled from the front wheels, so they've had a bit of a battering over the years. It's that's for the self-propelled engagement, and then you got your RPMs, and it's got actually handle adjusters. You can actually raise and lift it up. I mean, even that is not even in bad nick. Proper metal though. It's not tin shit. Back wheels look quite pretty clean. A bit of carbon on where the exhaust has been chucking out a bit of smoke. But she does turn over. She does turn over. I'd say it does look really rough, but there's no holes in the deck. I can't see any. It's just surface rust, and it's pretty solid. Yeah, we've also got the collection box, and these are not cheapy, crappy things that you get on today's lawnmowers. This is a hard plastic one. Look at that. Got a grill in the bottom of it. It's almost like army. It's a bit scratched up, but hey, what do you expect from a lawnmower that's 79? What's that? 89, 99, 2009. It's like 40 years old. Wow. Yeah. Qualcast jetstream. I'm in two minds whether to keep it or just sell it. I don't know. Maybe fix it. Not sure. It's got the Briggs and Stratton 35. I believe on this it's points and condenser. So I've looked. I've not actually gone into it yet. But overall, it's pretty clean. I mean, inside that tank, it is spotless. Absolutely spotless. That's yeah. Why do the lids never go back on when you take them off? Yeah, spotless. The oil in it is crystal clear. So I've had a quick look at the spark plug, and there doesn't seem to be any spark, so I'd imagine it's something to do with either the points condenser, maybe the coil's bad, maybe the spark plug's bad. I've not even actually dug into it yet, so I've not decided what I'm going to do with it, but I thought I'd show you guys. It's even got a thick bumper on the front. All the adjusters work. Say it's 40 years old, this mower is. 40 years old. And if anybody wants to know, as you can see, yeah, there's the serial number for it. Derby, England. This is a Brimbred Qualcast H&GE Limited. Derby, England. Is that where it was made, or is that where it was bought? 3,000 max RPMs. Yeah, have a look. See what stickers on it there. Yeah, 40-year-old Qualcast jetstream.